2026 INDIAWOOD has been by far the best exhibition, with all the halls completely packed, levels going up, new materials, new innovations being showcased by a lot of industry people.
It's a big honor to be again here at this fantastic fair. INDIAWOOD is a very important platform for us because it is the moment where the entire woodworking industry comes together, suppliers, customers, partners. This event is really a very good platform for us to showcase our solutions for solid wood, but also for the panel industry. So great to be here.
INDIAWOOD is always a very well attended event. For us, we know that this is the show for the timber industry in India, so that's why we're always trying to be here.
I'm getting a lot of product knowledge here, a lot of different products which are currently available, what is going new in the market. Then a lot of introduction is going on here. So it's a very good event for networking and getting the current market knowledge and what currently going in the market. So I think this is a very good opportunity, and I think in this industry everyone should visit.
INDIAWOOD 2026 is amazing.
It's impactful.
It's fabulous. Very dynamic.